Is your Kia Telluride refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, most infotainment glitches are resolved by simple software resets rather than hardware failures. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to get you reconnected quickly. Start by using a genuine Apple cable, checking for debris in your USB port, and toggling your phone's wireless settings. Check that your iPhone is updated and verify that CarPlay is enabled under your phone's screen time restrictions. If it still fails, use the physical reset pinhole on your dashboard, then delete your phone from the Kia system entirely to repair it. Most issues are home remedies, but if the USB port is physically damaged, you will need a professional technician. While a new cable costs almost nothing, replacing a damaged infotainment head unit is a significant investment. For advanced users, visit the official Kia Update website to install the latest firmware directly onto your vehicle system. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues while you are on the road. Remember, the most common culprit is usually just a worn-out cable, so start there before digging into software. If these steps did not work, it is time to have your local dealer inspect the USB hardware. Thanks for watching.